So Marcus looks very happy because it's his birthday and Marcus is going to surprise Lucas with a birthday party and Marcus says that Lucas does not know about this birthday party and Marcus is waiting for Lucas to come with balloons and Marcus is very excited and Marcus has some presents for Lucas and then Lucas also comes. And Lucas and Marcus say happy birthday to each other, but Lucas has not brought anything for Marcus. And while Marcus has crazy gifts for Lucas. And then before going inside, Marcus covers Lucas' eyes and Marcus brings Lucas inside the house and then Marcus and Darius wish Lucas a happy birthday. And Ivan is also with them and then it is seen that Blue has put on a very nice outfit and they are looking very happy and then it is found out that Lucas and Marcus have turned 26 and Lucas and Marcus are looking very excited and Lucas gives a lot of pets to his fans and Marcus gives Lucas a Ferrari shirt and Marcus has a lot of Ferrari shirts for Lucas. And they have some big plans for the birthday party and Darius is going to be his personal driver for the night. Then they see that Stalker is outside and the Stalker is holding a cake. And Lucas and Marcus are surprised who invited this Stalker and they all get shocked seeing Stalker and Darius thinks that someone must have invited this Stalker. And then it turns out that Marcus had mentioned about the birthday in the live stream due to which Stalker also got to know and Darius wonders why Stalker keeps coming back to spoil the situation. Then Lucas, Marcus and Darius try to talk to Stalker and Stalker wishes Lucas and Marcus a happy birthday and Lucas and Marcus tell Stalker that you should not have come to the birthday. But Stalker has very lovingly brought a birthday cake for Lucas and Marcus. Then Lucas, Marcus and Darius discuss whether to take the cake from Stalker or not. But Stalker has very lovingly brought a birthday cake for Lucas and Marcus. Then Lucas, Marcus and Darius discuss whether to take the cake from Stalker or not. Then Darius also tries to talk to Stalker and Stalker is moving towards Lucas, Marcus with the cake and Stalker considers Lucas and Marcus as friends. But Marcus tells Stalker that you were not invited to the birthday party and Lucas makes it clear to Stalker that we do not consider you a friend. And Darius tells Stalker to find someone else in public and give this cake to him and Lucas, Marcus and Darius do not want to take the cake from Stalker. Due to which Stalker gets angry and throws the cake on the ground and Stalker goes back and Lucas, Marcus and Darius are surprised by Stalker behavior and Lucas, Marcus' birthday is completely ruined.